Hello YouTube, today we're going to learn how to clean the air filter and the interior air filter on any passenger vehicle. Follow me and let's do it. Alright, so we're under the hood. There's going to be where our air filter is located. There's going to be 3 clips around this particular model. Yours might have more, but all you're going to do with the clips is just pull them back and then lift up on the cover. You'll find the air filter is exposed and pull that on out. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and grab my blower, and then we're just going to blow it on out. This one was pretty clean for the most part, but you're just looking for all the dust and then the debris that gets trapped in there. This one's fairly new, so we're not going to replace it yet. Alrighty, now that that's done, we're just going to reinsert it. Now at the back of your air filter cover, there should be 2 tabs it slides into, and then the clips will clip over. Once that's done, we'll move to the next part. Okay, now for the interior air filter. You're going to drop your glove box down by pressing on both sides equally with pressure. It'll drop past like a little locking mechanism, and it'll pop down. Now that we have it dropped down, you're going to see the little hydraulic cylinder that keeps it stable. It's going to be on a little C-clip, so it just kind of pops out. It's usually just one on one side. And then you're just going to make sure you don't break that piece. And then to get it back in, you're just going to pop it in. This part a little backwards, but you'll see a little chamber behind the glove box. That is going to be where your interior air filter is. As you see, I'm sliding it in right now. You're just going to do the reverse of this to remove it. And then to pull it out, it just pulls on out. So this is the interior air filter. This is usually what they look like. We're just going to do the same as the exterior air filter for the engine. We're just going to blow it on out. This one is also pretty new, so we're not going to replace it yet. But it is safe practice, especially with the new HEPA filters, to replace them often. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you're able to do this on your vehicle to keep you breathing clean air and your engine as well. Until next time.